A is for B is for
Bitch, cancel your fucking self.
C is for
grungy.
D is for
짠짠! Mukbang! Woo!
E is for F is for
Fucking gross.
G is for
Guys, it's Nikocado Avocado.
H is for I is for
I love cheese. I love cheese.
J is for
Jack in the Box.
K is for
Korean.
L is for
Let's dig in because I'm so hungry.
M is for
Mukbang, mukbang.
N is for
New nuclear, I don't know, is it more?
O is for
Oh my god.
P is for
Patty's nice and warm.
Q. Q is for
Cutie Q's doing today.
R is for
Red Lobster this.
S is for
Super long, stretchy.
T is for
Titiboki in front of me.
U is for
Oh, excuse me.
V is for
Valentine's Day mukbang.
W is for
Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to Trisha's channel.
X is for
Shalom Bao.
Y is for
You put too much water. You should have showed us the cooking part.
Z is for
See, like I did a whole